Greetings everyone. Today we celebrate World Yoga Day, a day that reminds us of the power of balance between the mind, body and the soul. Yoga is not just about bending and stretching. It's about building strength, focus and peace. In our busy student lives filled with exams, deadlines and stress, even few minutes of yoga can make us calmer, healthier and more focused. Yoga originated in India and is now practiced all over the world. It connects us to our roots and shows us how ancient wisdom can solve modern problems. Let's not treat yoga just as a one-day activity. Let's try making it a part of our daily routine, just like brushing our teeth or checking our phones. Thank you and happy World Yoga Day.